Clear Brown, North Dallas, 2023 Tesla Model Y, full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Plus, the Fusion, Ultimate Fusion film. 4-year ceramic on top, guaranteed 4 years in writing. The film itself is guaranteed 10 years in writing by Xpel. The installation warranty is the length that you own the car by Clear Brown, North Dallas. So you're covered either way. The installation's by us for the life that you own the car, and the film is covered up to 10 years by Xpel in writing. Everything's in writing. So let's go over this vehicle, starting up here on the front. When we wrap all these cars, the most important thing to know is, and it really amazes me how some people don't think wrapping an edge is important. However, it is if you want to get the full benefit of a 10-year guarantee, because wrapping on top, meaning terminating the line here, it's not. Our lines are all the way around. So you don't see any lines on this car at all, anywhere. All of our lines are all around the back sides, all tucked in underneath. Everything goes around. Everything goes under the moldings. Everything goes in under the rubbers. So if you're looking for that install where it doesn't look like it's on the vehicle, that's us. Under the moldings, no lines. Wrapped inside all these door areas. No lines. All the doors are fully wrapped in. Let's see if I could find a obvious area where the line is back here. Here we go. We should be able to see this. You can see it right here. There's your line. So everything gets wrapped around the backside. Here's a little excess film right here on this hole. But the key is to have it all wrapped around and inside, because there's no weathering that really gets to it from the road, washing, towel drying the car. If you have an edge and you keep drying and washing, you're going to wear that edge out, and that's not covered under warranty. That's wear and tear. So be careful what you ask for. If you're trying to save a couple $100, I understand that, but sometimes it's worth a little bit more to get the car done the right way. This wrap will last a long time. It'll go over 10 years. I've seen it. But this is the right way to do it. There's no disputing it. Don't let anybody try to tell you that it unravels. It does not. I guarantee it. It will not happen. So here's our back area, our lift gate, all wrapped in, no lines. Everything's underneath. Here is inside the window area of the lift gate, all wrapped in. No lines on top. The T is removed and put back over the film, just like when the car's painted. The emblems are put on top of the clear coat, so our film is now the clear coat. We put that on top of the clear coat, so there's no line. On a white car, you would see a dirt line of a T. There literally are no lines on this car to have dirt lines. So another great job. It's about the dedication, folks. We get a lot of people that might say, hey, can you hurry up and get that done for us? It only takes about 4 days typically. If you want it done in 2 or 3, we're going to charge you a little bit of an overtime fee because we stay overnight and get it done. But we got to give our people breaks too. So usually it's 3 to 4 days to get a full car. Full car wraps, we do them all day long. There's 3 over there. There's 1 right here getting underway, and we got 1 more outside. So got about 6 to 10 at a time. If you guys are looking for the Xpel product, it's the thickest product made, fastest self-healing, the only film with a ceramic coating. Others have what they call a slick coating, or like SunTech calls it reaction. That's not a ceramic coating. That's a surface that's made to be slippery. There's no guarantee on discoloration with that film as well. This film's fully covered for yellowing, discoloration, all kinds of things. You can go on Xpel.com and look at the actual warranties. But as far as SunTech's product concerned, there's discoloration is not covered on their new reaction film. So be careful. This is a true ceramic product. It's the Fusion ceramic integrated on top of the film from the manufacturer, with a 4-year guarantee on the ceramic, 10 years on the film. So on top of that, we did the window film with XR Plus, 30% front for the Texas legal rate, and then the back is already privacy glass, not tint. It's privacy glass with no heat rejection, so we threw some tint behind that to give it a high heat rejection and UV rate. So the product we put behind there was 70% because they didn't want to change the tone of that factory privacy glass. So they wanted to even it out. And there it is. So fully wrapped in, Xpel's Fusion film at Clearbrow, North Dallas, and Argyle. If you need to get a hold of us, 940-703-8301. My name is Brent. I'd be happy to help you with anything you need. Reference a wrap, doesn't matter what the car is. I've been doing this since the early 90s, so there is nothing that is a challenge for me as far as tinting, Clearbrow, any type of film that goes on the car is not a problem. So clearbrownorthdallas.com, 940-703-8301. Take care.